And we have a quick breaking update that is just coming in. We are learning that doctors already have rushed to the prison after complaints of breathlessness that have been reported by Sasikala. Sasikala, remember, was jailed about 4 years ago in a disproportionate asset case. She's scheduled to be released after paying a fine on around January the 27th. Sagai, breaking details of that big story for us. Sagai, what more do we know about this?
Now, as you rightly pointed out, that what we get to learn through our prison sources is that there was some kind of health issues for Jayalalitha inside the prison, and the doctors have also informed the prison's authorities, saying that she had some. Subsequently, the doctors had rushed. The doctors within the prison, the residing doctors of the prison, had rushed to her. And as we speak, still the medication is happening for Sasikala. Remember, Sasikala was, she's expected to be released from the prison on 27th of January. And this particular development is nearly a setback for her, who was anticipating that she might be a big game setter when it comes to Tamil Nadu elections in coming days.
And any official words, Sagai, that we've been able to listen into so far?
It's all the source-based information that we have learned from the prison, that she is unwell, she has a breathing problem, and the resident doctors of the prison have been rushed to her cell, and they are investigating what really went wrong, and the medication process is on for her.
And do we know, before I let you go, Sagai, very briefly about her health otherwise? Has she been in the best of health, or she has on and off complained of poor health?
No, she was on and off initially of complaint of poor health. Initially, when she was behind bars, she had some diabetic issue, she had some cleanliness issue of the prison, and after that, what we also learned that she took practice of yoga inside, and this is the latest information that we are getting, that she has some breathing problem. Apart from that, so far, apart from diabetics complaint, nothing more has been reported on her.
All right, I let you go, Sagai, so you get us more official word on her condition. For the moment, thank you.